Alright guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this Theragun G3 massager. I got it from Dick's Sporting Goods for $3.99 I believe. There's a $2.99 version, but this lasts a little longer. I think this one lasts 60 minutes versus 45 minutes. And it has a dual speed of 1750 RPM in case your patient's sensitive, and then 2400 if you're need some more pulsating action. And then this one has a 40-pound stall force, where the $2.99 version has a 30-pound stall force. Plus it comes in a cool black design. Both the $2.99 and $3.99 model comes with a built-in battery. You don't have to slide it in and out. It might fail on you, but yeah, that's tough luck. And then this one comes with the thumb and the cone. The $2.99 model only comes with the standard ball and the dampener. So yeah, cancer and reproductive harm, or P65 warning. Yeah, so I love this thing. Why? Because it comes in a cool case, even though I probably won't use it. So I had to switch cameras because for some reason I can't transfer files from my iPhone. But now we're gonna unbox the Theragun, I forget the model, G3. It's not the Pro, but it's a G3 model. It has two settings, low and high, depending on what your patient needs. I like the smooth black finish. This is the only one you really need. It comes with other bits. This one's good as a spare, but I like this one a lot better. It comes with a cone bit to get into the deep tissue of your palms or your feet. And this one's completely hard plastic. But other than that, this is just foam packing. Comes with the charger that you can pop this socket in and out of. And so this is gonna last for 60 minutes instead of the 45. And then in the back you have your instruction manual with a letter from the CEO. I think his name is Jeff. I met him at the CrossFit Games. Super nice guy. If you want to see the letter. Come on, letter. Where you at? Where you at, letter? Shit. There it is. Sorry, Jason. So there's a nice letter from Jason. You get in every package. These guns are used in the NFL, obviously, for probably a decade now, but they're coming out with nicer, more affordable models. So if you're an athlete or Muay Thai fighter, jiu-jitsu practitioner, you name it, so any kind of runner, athlete, you're definitely going to need one of these. This is $3.99 on Amazon in 2019, 2020, and it's the same price on at Dick's Sporting Goods, things like that. But definitely get one. It's a good investment.